Okay, this problem says add the following decimals by making a 10 by 10 square in Excel. Get a screenshot of your Excel sheet and attach the file. So here's my problem: 0.7 plus 0.27 plus 0.365, or you could say 7 tenths plus 27 hundredths plus 365 thousandths. And I wrote the problem right up here. And so now, since these are 10 by 10 squares, you can think of this as one whole. Then each one of these columns is a tenth, because there's 10 of these. So this is a tenth, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, all the way up to 10 tenths or 1. And then each little square is a hundredth of a whole, since there's 100 blocks. So here's 7 tenths. So to show this, I'm going to highlight 7 columns here. And I'm going to make that color, let's say red, or some color, so they're accounted for. Now the 27. Okay, so the 27 hundredths right here, see, this would be 30 hundredths if I got all these. 3 tenths is the same as 30 hundredths, or 27 hundredths would be these two columns plus 7 over here. Well, I can't do all that in one hit, so I'm just going to do the 21 hundredths, the 2 tenths right here, and I'll make that color, let's say, blue. And now I need 7 more, so let's highlight 7 more of these right here, and I'll also make that blue. Now finally, I need 365 thousandths. Well, first of all, let's take a look at the 3 tenths. So to get the 3 tenths, I'll do this in green. So to get the 3 tenths, I'll highlight this one. See, that's 3 hundredths actually. Let's make that green. Here's a green. And then over here, see, if I do all of these and all of these and all of these, that would take me up to 0.33, because that's 3 tenths plus 3 more makes 0.33. So let's make all those green. Okay, now I need 3 hundredths more, so I'll highlight 3 of these and make them green. Now I need a half of a block. Okay, this means 36 blocks, and I have that here: 10, 20, 30, 33, 36, plus a half a block. Now the way I did a half a block, and I'll just put it right there, is I drew that half a block. And the way you can draw a half a block is to go insert and do a shape and maybe make it a square and draw a little square about half the size of a block, and then change that color to whatever you want. So I'll make it green so it matches the rest of those numbers there. And then at that point, you can just move that into position. And you can make it fit better than that if you wanted to. But then at that point, once you got it there, then you take a screenshot of this by using something like a snipping tool, and you attach it. So that's showing how to add decimals using a model, which are these 10 by 10 grids. So my answer is, I'll just type in my answer right here. This is one whole block, 100 100ths, so that's 1 point, and you can see that this is 3 and an additional 3, 5. So to me, it looks like 1.335. And we can check this here by doing equals, and I'll add up these decimals: 0.7 or 7 tenths plus 0.27, which is 27 100ths, plus 365 thousandths, so that's 0.365. And what do I get? 1.335. Okay, and the way you get these grids on here to begin with is using this area right here where you can insert these borders and that sort of thing. So I'll stop this problem right here. And again, this whole Excel, all of this Excel stuff is on your email. I don't know if I have that handy, but on your email, if you just click right here on this waffle thing, you'll see that you have Excel, you have Teams for meeting virtually, you have Word, and of course your Outlook and that sort of thing, even PowerPoint. So it's all there that you have it, even if you don't have Excel on your desktop. So I'll stop this problem right here.